This tutorial guides you through creating a backup of your Squarespace website template. It's always a good practice to back up your site when it's transferred to you. This allows you to restore the original design if your current site becomes compromised, or if you simply need to refer back to the initial template. To begin, from your website editor, navigate to your dashboard by clicking your profile icon on the bottom left. Here on your dashboard, locate the website you wish to back up. Click the three dots, then select Duplicate Website. Confirm your action by clicking Duplicate in the pop-up. The duplication process will begin. Once complete, a new entry with Copy appended will appear on your dashboard. For clarity, let's rename the website. Click Website, and then in the editor, click on Edit. Hover over the site title and click on it. Go to Edit Site Header and rename your site. Click anywhere outside of the menu to exit, and then click on Save. Return to your dashboard, and you'll see your new website name,